Have you ever wondered about death? It's a concept that affects us all, yet many of us avoid talking about it. Understanding death can help us appreciate life more deeply. Death is a natural part of our existence. It's the end of life, but it also signifies transformation. This knowledge is crucial in making sense of our own mortality. Let's break this down into manageable steps. First, we need to clarify what death means biologically. It signifies the cessation of all biological functions. The heart stops and brain activity ceases. Next, we explore the cultural perceptions of death. Various cultures have rituals, beliefs, and customs surrounding death. These practices influence how people grieve and remember those who passed away. Now, let's consider the emotional aspect. Grieving is a universal response to loss. It's natural to feel a mix of emotions, such as sadness, anger, or confusion. Understanding that grief is a process can help us navigate our feelings. Let's look at an example. Imagine losing a loved one. You might feel overwhelmed initially. Over time, memories of the person can bring comfort and understanding. This highlights the importance of cherishing relationships. In summary, death is an inevitable part of life. Understanding its implications can deepen our appreciation for every moment. Embrace conversations about death; they can be enlightening. If you found this topic meaningful, share this video with others. Let's start a conversation and help each other understand